how to prepare financially to buy a home in 2025. Hey there, future homeowners. It's KG, your friendly neighborhood realtor, here to help you turn your dream of owning a home into a reality. So, if you are planning to buy a home, a house in 2025, you come to the right place. Today, I am diving into how to prepare financially to make that dream come true. I'll be sharing practical steps, insider tips, and even some real life stories from my clients that have been in the same position that you are in right now. So let's get started. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop me a comment. First thing, I want to start with your credit. Your credit, as in your credit score. Let's talk about the backbone of your financial health, your credit score. A great credit score opens door to better loan options and lower interest rates. By far, one of the best things you can do is to improve your credit score. Here's what you want to do. First, check your credit score. There are tons of the word is free, tools like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com that you can see your credit score. Next, if your score needs a little TLC, you want to focus on paying down high interest debts like credit card, keeping your credit card balance low, and you want to pay bills on time. This is very important. I had a client, Sarah, who came to me last year. Her score wasn't the best. It wasn't ideal. She wasn't able to buy a house at that time, but she was determined. So we worked together to create a plan. Listen, she tackled some old debts, set up automatic payments, and by the time she was ready to buy, her credit score improved over 100 points. That is a lot. And so what's the result? She locked in a fantastic interest rate on her first home. You can do it. Second thing is save for down payments and beyond, not just down payment. Now, when you talk about money, the down payment is the obvious thing that you want to plan for, but you don't want to forget the extras. You have the closing costs, you have the moving expenses, and even an emergency fund for those just in case things that will happen moments. So a good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses as a cushion. So for the down payment, right, there are so many options that are available. You really don't need 20% down. Some loans let you get started as little as 3 to 5%. One of my clients last year, again, his name is Marcos, used a first-time home buyer program offered by the Maryland Department of Housing and used this to buy his dream home with just 3% down. He focused on small saving amounts but consistently, like skipping out on takeout twice a week. He was able to save that money, redirecting his bonuses from work to the house saving, and even selling some unused item online. This thing added up that it was surprised. Number 3 is budgets like a homeowner. You want to budget like a homeowner right now. It is time to start thinking like a homeowner if you're planning to buy a home. That means you want to create a budget that includes more than just your mortgage payment. You want to account for property taxes. We can't get away from that. Homeowners insurance, yes. Homeowner association if you're going to be in a planned development, or condo fee if you're buying a condo. You want to plan for utilities, which may be higher than what you're paying right now if you're buying a fossil. And then maintenance, yes, maintenance. Those leaky faucets, if you become a homeowner, is now your responsibility. So you want to plan and budget for that now. I always recommend doing a mock-up budget before buying. For example, there's a couple that I worked with last year. They started practicing their homeowner budget 6 months before buying. Homeowner's budget before. And they put the difference, even though they know the homeowner that time, they put the difference into a savings and found out not only that they were very prepared, but they've also built a little extra nest egg for furniture and other things when they were ready to buy. All right, so let's recap. Preparing financially to buy a home in 2025 boils down to 3 things. Number 1, get your credit score in tip-top shape. Very, very important. Number 2, save not just for down payments, but also for the eating costs too, closing costs and other things. Number 3, practice budgeting like a homeowner right now to avoid surprises. Right? So you've got time. We're still in 2024. You've got time to prepare, and with a little planning, you will be ready to make your move. Remember, Rome is not built in a day. Every step you take now brings you closer to that front door moment, the front door moment, turning the key to your first home. It's all about planning. Now, if you're ready to take that first step, I would love to help you out. Whether you are curious about first-time home buyer programs that are out there, we have a lot in the state of Maryland, DC, and Virginia. Or if you need advice on saving or just want to chit-chat about your goals, about home ownership goals, reach out to me. Let's connect. You can call me, email me, or even DM me on social media. I will be happy to assist you. So you want us to let us create a personalized plan to make 2025 the year you become a homeowner. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop me a comment, share the video with families and friends that may be looking to buy a house. And as always, happy buying. Ciao.